Bitcoin (BTC) has been highly volatile over the past 10 days, with an average daily range frequently exceeding $1,000. The market cap now stands at $162.6 billion on $5.66 billion in trading volume over the past 24 hours. The BTC market cap currently accounts for 44.65% of all cryptocurrencies. During the end of the bull run in December, BTC experienced a rather large supply shock. As discovered by a Reddit user, the Mt. Gox bankruptcy trustee, Nobuaki Kobayashi, moved 36,000 BTC, which according to the wallet address Transaction Times was sold in 5 lots between December and February. Those transactions directly correlate with drops in the BTC price. White asterisk. The trustee was authorized to sell both BTC and Bitcoin Cash to cover debts amounting to over $400 million. The most recent creditor meeting report can be viewed here. The next court proceeding related to the bankruptcy isn't scheduled until September 18, 2018. It's unclear whether the coins were simply market sold directly on an exchange like Bitfinex, or if an attempt to sell the coins OTC was made first. Many months ago, the CEO of Kraken, CEO Jesse Powell, had recommended to Kobayashi that the coins be sold OTC, which would help prevent order slippage. The remaining coins held can also be sold by the trustee or returned directly to Mt. Gox users. It is also possible that the previous CEO of Mt. Gox, Mark Karpelès, will be returned the remaining coins. According to a November 2017 story by Reuters, in Japan, by law, any funds left over in a bankrupt company's estate after creditors have been paid go to shareholders, which in this case is Karpelès. Some of the remaining Mt. Gox wallets and balances can be viewed here. Of the 200,000 BTC once held by Mt. Gox, approximately 164,000 BTC remain in the possession of Kobayashi. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) released a statement last week on the unregulated nature of cryptocurrency exchanges. The SEC is also particularly interested in exchanges which offer ICOs, which may or may not represent an unlicensed security. While not a direct enforcement action on any one exchange, the statement was seen as a shot across the bow of any exchange not currently registered in accordance with securities law. After banning domestic exchanges in September 2017, China has announced it will begin slowly regulating cryptocurrencies, as opposed to an outright ban. Zhou Xiaochuan, governor of the country's central bank, the People's Bank of China, has admitted that cryptocurrencies are inevitable but added, "We do not currently recognize Bitcoin and other digital currencies as a tool like paper money, coins and credit cards for retail payments. The banking system does not accept it. If exchanges like Bitcoin China reopen, a flood of capital will likely enter the market." Many Chinese traders have already been using exchanges based in Hong Kong, Japan, or elsewhere. Japanese regulators have become increasingly concerned with unregistered exchanges as well as exchange security following the $400 million hack of the Japanese exchange Cointech. On March 8, Japan's Financial Services Agency (FSA) suspended operations of 2 Japanese exchanges, FSHO and BitStation, for 30 days. April 2017, Japan passed legislation recognizing BTC as legal tender, and as of September 2017, the FSA officially recognized 11 companies as registered cryptocurrency exchange operators. Thailand has also taken a soft approach to regulation of cryptocurrencies, recently enacting a special law that will regulate the purchases and sales of cryptocurrencies and ICOs in order to avoid market manipulation, money laundering, tax evasion, as well as multi-level marketing schemes. Unlike a government fiat currency controlled by a central bank, BTC has a planned monetary policy. Inflation currently stands at 3.85%, set to decrease in a disinflationary stepwise fashion over time. The next block reward halving is currently set for May 2020. On the network side, BTC hash rate and difficulty continues to increase month over month. This trend should continue unabated, with several new mining hardware products being shipped by Q2 this year. Mining locations continue to expand outside China through an orderly exit, especially to Washington State, Iceland, and Western Canada thanks to cheap renewable or alternative energy and low ambient temperatures. Ji Hongwu, head of the Chinese mining companies that mainland Ant Pool, registered a new company in Washington State, Ant Creek, in June 2017. Even Canadian energy producers are directly entering the mining foray due to cheap energy access. The current rate of block discovery reflects the continued addition of hash rate. Miners currently find the block every approximately